Everyone, this is Prajakta from Spectrum Food Solutions, and today let's talk about an ingredient which is referred to as God's own food. Let's talk about asafoetida. Asafoetida is also called as hing. Now, asafoetida is one such ingredient which when added to any food gives amazing flavor and aroma to it. Beyond that, it has various health benefits such as it helps in reducing headache. It also helps in reducing bloating and helps in relieving stomach problems. It also helps in relieving menstruation pain and so on. The list goes on. But on the other side of the coin, besides milk, asafoetida is admittedly the most adulterated ingredient in the market. It is adulterated with inferior quality of asafoetida. It's also adulterated with red clay, stone, starch and gypsum to add up to the actual weight of the asafoetida. Now, what is gypsum? Gypsum is a soft sulfate material which is composed of calcium sulfate dihydrate. Gypsum is highly mined and is also used as a fertilizer. Beyond that, gypsum is primarily used in making of plasters, blackboards and drywalls. Now, imagine yourself consuming such kind of an asafoetida. So, today we are going to learn how to detect the adulteration of asafoetida in home with this easy steps. This test that we are going to perform now is recommended by FSSAI. So to go ahead with, I have two samples of asafoetida with me. Out of these two samples, one sample is adulterated with starch. So starch is being added in one of these, sample of asafoetida. Also, I have two glass bottles which has water in it, and we are going to use tincture iodine. Now, what is tincture iodine? I had explained that in my first video wherein I had shown how to detect adulteration of milk. So, to go ahead with, let's perform this test. As I mentioned, I have two samples of asafoetida. What I'll do is, I'll take 1 teaspoon of asafoetida and I'll add in water. I'll keep it aside. I'll take sample number 2 and I will add that also into water. Now what I'll do is I will use tincture iodine, approx around 0.5 ml. I'll add that in both the samples of asafoetida. Perfect. Now what I'll do is I'll take spoon, okay, and I'll mix both of them. I hope you can see the color difference in both the samples of asafoetida which I added in normal water. The one wherein the color change has happened after adding tincture iodine is adulterated with starch. So, and the one which has normal color, the one which has normal color, which is a bit translucent, you can say, is not adulterated with starch, and the one which has changed color, which is turned into bluish black, is adulterated with starch. Now this is how you can identify at your home whether the asafoetida that you are adding to your food to make an amazing add an amazing flavor and aroma to your food is adulterated or not. This is how you can identify. I'll just repeat the test again. What you have to do is take the sample of asafoetida. This step is basically done to detect adulteration of asafoetida with starch. So what you have to do is take a glass bottle, add water into it, or you can take normal drinking glass as well. You can add water into it. Add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida into it, and add 0.5 ml of tincture iodine into it, and then just mix it properly. If the color change happens, the asafoetida that you have got from the market is adulterated with starch, and if the color change does not happen, the asafoetida that you have got from the market is fit for your consumption. This test you can perform on monthly basis to get yourself assured that you are consuming perfect kind of food, which is fit for your consumption. So do perform this test at your home, because every time it's not feasible that you go to the laboratories and give the samples for testing. So this DART test, this simple test, is recommended by FSSAI, and you can easily perform it at home and see and evaluate that whatever raw material or you're bringing from the market is fit for your consumption or not. Thank you so much.